This is gonna be an easy one. There's not even it's just these two, and wheat. I got my Cooper's DIY beer kit. Beer fermenter here. I'm gonna be using. Got my water almost boiling over here. Filtered water. I got the water boiling. Time to add the LME. All right, I'm gonna keep this to a slow rolling boil for 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna add that last pack of hops, and then boil it for 15 minutes.
Go ahead and
Letting it cool. All right, and the second set of hops. All right, it's been an hour. Let it cool down. Give it another stir. All right, I got the wort cooled. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my fermenter now. And I'll just add filtered water to the 23-liter mark. Two drops in each one. These carbonation drops today. Been in the fermenter for at least right about 2 weeks. All right, I'm gonna try this Weizenbeer here. It's got good color to it. Oh, it smells good. That smells really good. Let's try it. That is very tasty. That's got a good aftertaste too, yeah.